You looking for a Christmas tree? Yeah? You looking for a Christmas tree? Yeah? How about this one? You like this one? Is that a good one? Yeah. Think Daddy wants a bigger one? I think Daddy wants a bigger one. These are baby trees.
Can you say hi to Grandpa? Say hi. We're going to get a Christmas tree. Clap hands. Clap hands if you are.
You gonna get a tree? You gonna get a Christmas tree? Yeah?
It's a little one, but
Is that a good tree?
Is that a good tree? Is that the tree we need? All the wonderful things.
Did you get the sharp one or is that the dull one?
No, it's a dull one.
What's that?
When did you go tree chopping last year?
I think on either the Saturday after Thanksgiving or the week after.
The week after. We went the week after, I think.
To D4 or whatever, right?
How did we even find the rancho?
The Rancho?
They sent us
Because
here.
they always tell you to come here.
Yeah.
They used to.
A long time ago, though, quite a while ago, right?
Yeah.
We just found it by chance.
Oh, really?
We used to turn right and go to the button.